I want to create a separate video just talk about making every day a tech day. Now what that means is that every day you're out on the road, find something in your truck that's tech related to do. Now this will accomplish two things. One, it'll get your list of projects done, and two, it'll keep your skills sharp. So some days are more tech heavy than other days, but what I try to do is every single day I try to find something, no matter how small or insignificant it may be. I find something that's tech related to do on my truck. Now I've been on the road going on 60 days, so over the last 60 days I've done 60 different tech related things with my truck. Now that keeps all those little things from piling up. You know, you can imagine if you let 60 things go unattended, then that will add up, and now you got a long list of things that need attention. Otherwise your truck starts falling apart. So, and then your projects never get done. I will say too, once you get a project done, now it's off your plate and you can move on to the next project. And some tech things, maybe it's just purchasing parts. You know, that's your tech project of the day, is you're going to purchase parts, whether it's order something online, stopping at Freightliner, going to Walmart or Home Depot, buying tools, whatever. That's all counts as a tech related item. Other days you'll have a super heavy tech day, like doing a PM on your APU, or taking your truck in for a B service and DOT inspection, or taking it to Interstate Power Systems. That all counts as tech. You're doing something with the truck, you know, to put it in a higher state of repair, add equipment, new accessories, bells and features and whistles and things like that. All counts as tech. So today I was able to finish my project on these cabinets, and all I did was I interchanged the regular cabinet push button for a lock. So now I have a lock on each of my 3 overhead consoles, and that was like a 15-minute job to swap that out, put in the one that locks. And then I also have locks on the back cabinets as well. Those both lock. So I have 5 locks, 5 locking cabinets. Now that's just to keep an honest person honest. I think those can be defeated fairly easily. For one, the keys seem to be all interchangeable. So if you buy one set of locks, now you got keys that fit all the locks. So it's not going to keep another driver out, but it may keep a mechanic out, or somebody being nosy in your truck and they don't have a key. They can't get in. Like a DOT officer, he can't get in. You don't have a key. He'll have to ask you to unlock it. So the goal in the tech project tip of the day is do something. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. Do something tech related on your truck every single day you're out on the road. You'll find you get things done, you get it off your plate, and you can move on to the next item. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. See you on the internet.